Hello everyone, this is Tom from Stock Navigators and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of October 19, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and analyze a long-term stock price direction for swing trade so that they can make a bigger profit potential. Couple of weeks before the election, the market may still have some volatility up and down because now we have more virus case happen and the vaccine trial is paused due to the side effect. But the overall trend is still in the uptrend and we will continue to update you during the week. So that make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that every time we have a new video, we can notify you on the new update. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will guide you and will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with high probability of winning and a low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's look at a couple of charts so that you can see where the market heading to. Let's start with the SPY chart. As you can see here, the SPY chart right now is still bullish. As you can see over here, SPY chart. After the market break out the neckline, they push it back up, they pull back down, they try to retest where they gap up and continue the upside. And after that, they go back and retest it, they push it back up, they hit right into the sell zone, and then they pull back down, and now they retest where they gap up. So, and then the market will be stabilized here and find a way to go higher. If you look at the E-mini SP 500, you can see that the market, after they push it back up, they hit to the sell zone. Now they pull back down right into the support, and then they will try to find a way to push it up higher. If you look at the other index, like the Dow, it also put back down, stabilize, shoot it back up, gap up, pull back down. Now they try to find a way to put it higher. The NQ it also puts it back up, go back right into the buy zone, and continue to the upside. Russell 2000 it also found some support here. They have some resistance here. A couple of times here they couldn't pass through it. This time if they're able to clear that area here and punch through that level, and the Russell 2000 can go higher. Gold is still going sideways, it still going nowhere. As you can see here, they get stuck below the 50-day moving average and the trend is still sideways. And oil, it also tried to build a momentum here, but they get stuck in the 42 and a half, nickel 42 and a quarter, and then they still stuck in that area here. In order for them to be able to break out, if they're able to clean up that area here, that will be much more bullish for the oil in the future. Look at the bond. They try to push it back up right into the resistance, couldn't go higher, so now they continue to put it to the downside. And the euro, it still have a trouble after they hit to resistance level here. They pull back down, retest. Now they try to build back momentum, to put it to the upside. The Bitcoin, it have a good time the week before. Last week, the week before, and after that they go sideways up and down in this channel here. So in order for them to break out, they will have to punch through this level and put it another leg higher. Okay, and look at the couple of stocks. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks here. If a lot of sector like XLU is still doing well. Okay, after they hit to the resistance here, they pull back down. Right now they try to build momentum to break out this level here in the future here. IWM, the Russell 2000 also gets stuck at the gap level here. if they be able to build the momentum next week here, they can get out and continue to the upside. The retail sector have a very good week. Last week they put it back up, but kind of a little bit extensive now, so we have to wait for them to pull back before get back in again. This week we look at a couple of good sectors like food, for example, like Jack in the Box. You can see here they come up with a new hamburger, not hamburger, but like chicken hamburger, but they make by something else, I guess. So they are doing well for the last 2 days there. And the next one is UNFI, that's in the United Food, and also they be able to break out of the resistance level. They stay above the moving average, so the momentum is strong on the upside. And look at some airline. It look like it's like Boeing. Look like it's clear to fly right now, so it will put some momentum for Boeing to take off. Even though the airline sector is very weak, but some of them it very stand out and they're doing very well, like Southwest Airlines, okay, and also the spaceship, okay, Virgin Galactic. They try to put it up for the last couple of weeks here, so they try to build momentum to put it into the upside. The bank, some of the bank are doing no good, but some of them are still doing very well. It's like First Republic Bank, they come up with a strong volume on the last 2 days, and then they try to put it higher. And a couple of big cap stocks like Apple still put it back up and still sideways, but overall the trend is still up, so they try to fill up the gap there. So tomorrow, if they come back with a good green candle, that will have a potential for the stock to put it higher. WMT, Walmart, it also tried to put it up on Friday. Microsoft also doing strong there. And INTU is still sideways correction. And GG, okay, this one here, they come up, they pull back down, and then if they can get back and clear this resistance level here, they will continue to the upside. Okay, so this is all I have for you next week. And if you would like to learn how to day trade to make some extra daily income, and if you would like to learn how to do swing trade for those of you busy at work, and you can so that you can make a bigger profit potential and you don't have to stick with the screen for the first 2 hours, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching and good luck. We will see you during the week. Bye bye now.